Alright, picked up one item. I didn't pay that. Got it for 10 bucks. It is broken. Doesn't stay closed. Hey, how you doing today? Good, thank you. Alright, back in the shop. And now it's time to do a nice little repair job on this one. Issue with this, as you can see, yep, I believe it's the spring. So it could be broken, or who knows. Okay. So it should be a fairly easy fix, as long as I can find another spring. So this knife, other than having a broken spring, hopefully, doesn't really need that much. Maybe I can put some pattern on here. The back, I'll leave it. I don't know. Just to give it a little bit of a uniqueness. Give it its own little style. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right. Shout out to bin number 3. Let's do this. I believe these are extras for the pocket clip. I'm going to go ahead and take this pocket clip out of here already. Come on. Attaboy. Want to give a special shout out to the screwdriver. Man, this thing, look at this thing. You hear that? Still going. All right. Push that through. Oh, doesn't want to come out that way. It's okay. Let me go ahead and get the pry bar. Let's see what's going on in here. What's going on with that spring? I'm really curious. Oh, it's missing. How is it missing? Oh, it's right here. Oh, I see the problem. It's bent. That's the problem right there. See that? So, yeah, I have to be real careful trying to bend this back. So, set that off to the side. There's your little lock bar or lock release. Does both. Nice washer here with a nylon, huh? That's interesting. Well, wait. Yep, the nylon. So, the nylon was on the blade. So, that's interesting, huh? Okay. That's different. So another one back here. Blade. Not too bad with the blade. There's some nicks down here. If you can see that. Oh, how did it get here? This thing is trying to get a ride for free. You can see that. So we'll get that fixed up. Okay. With a stop pin. Shout out to the pivot barrel in a nice washer. Okay. Let's go into the main shop and get this thing going. Yeah.